By the end of this video, you will know how to use the editing, viewing, and suggesting functions in Google Docs, so let's get started. In the top right corner, below the share button, there's a pencil icon. This is the editing function. It's also the default setting when you make a new document. It allows you to type how you normally would. If you click on it, it gives you two other options, suggesting and viewing. Suggesting allows you to distinguish between edits and what you've already written. So let's say I want to delete some part of this paragraph and then add my name is. You can clearly tell the difference between what you've written before and the edits that you're making, and you can choose to either stick with them or get rid of them. So let's say I want to keep my name is, but I want to delete but I don't want to delete this section. So I just click the X. The other option is viewing. If you click on viewing, it doesn't allow you to make any changes or add any comments, but it does give you a sense of what the final copy will look like. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.